Captain Sensi-ble here, fresh back from work. Here you go, look, this is what I've got to sort out now. I've got my 1x1 metre tent there, still in good condition. All my poles, I'm opening all my bits are there. Two Scorpion, red Scorpion induction fans, still got the box to that. So what I'll do is next I'll put this together, tent together. I'll show you how I hang my light fitting using chain. I use chains. I do like chains like this and carabiner, what clips, whatever they're called. And yeah, it's gonna be fucking shit up. Get it all set up. Seed to be popping within the next few days. Everything's a good one. Also, I've got my CO2 enhancer. I use it about 3 or 4 times per grow. Really fucking bounces up your fucking grow, man, I tell you now. Saline tester. pH tester. So you get your pHs right. I'd tell you the truth, I don't think I've ever used it. I'm more of a grow as you go guy. But yeah, I'm going to set all this up, believe it or not, in the next, I don't know, I'm going to have a spliff of the beer first, and then I'll get back to you. But this is going to be a great grow. 2020, the year that Captain came back. That ain't that the truth, motherfucker.